Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Usumbot Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong haka jinglek jong udang shen New Delhi bania kendu yau Menteri Ketenat Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari ulayolat ban pensengau halor ke jingsa tengki projek Shna Surok Hajala Meghalaya yaki baladep itu bat budak lepa da ke sorkar jela. Haka jingya keren bat ka Batesi TV usumbot Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong ulayatu bagi don lightly ki projek Shna Surok ki baladep penkre bat shen ke sorkar pedeng kan sepelait pisa ban yok pen sedang no ya ke jing Shna Surok ke bagan tup ya ke Surok Nongstoin Wakaji ke Surok National Highway 62 Bakmara bat ke Surok Bak National Highway Iway Arnyo B ke ba penya so ya ke Surok Shillong Nongstoin Tura Hadok Phulbari ke penya so pat bat ke nong Bak Dhubri jong ke Jela Assam. Kat kum ke jing itu jong Bak Preston ke jing lut ban shnai ya kini ki lightly ki Surok kan kot kumba siajar sanspa klor tingka AA bat ke bala ru ban poi hado arhajar klor tingka.
There are 3 projects which are in the pipeline. I think very soon we will be able to get the sanction. One road is Nongstoin Wakaji. One is Nongstoin Wakaji. Number 2 is NH62, that Bakmara site, NH62. And then number 3 is NH127B, which connects this NH Shillong, Nongstoin, Tura. That will connect up to Phulbari. That is known. Shillong, Nongstoin, Tura, and this 127B, NH 127B will touch from Rongram. It will go down to Selsela area. It will cover Rajabala side, Phulbari side, up to the border of the Assam, Dhubri, to connect Dhubri side. Okay. So these were the 2 projects which government of India will accord sanction to the state government.
Haka baya deibat ke jing persya jong kiseng balang ban shnaya ke Surok Nongstoin Wakaji uba Preston ulaong ba ke sorkar kalapan kelano ya kalenti ya jong kani ke Surok haka ba on shna thamai na Nongstoin hado Wakaji bat na Wakaji kan penyeso ya ke Ranikor.
The protest is over because that time they did see the original plan was Nongstoin Wakaji Domyasiat Mauthabak. Okay. So now, when we discuss with the concerned NGOs, is that ultimately we change the alignment. The alignment now is only Nongstoin up to Wakaji, and then Wakaji it will connect Ranikor. But the first phase will be only from Nongstoin up to Wakaji, which is about 42-43 kilometers. Not necessarily double, but standard road.